Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Porsche 934 Turbo RSR, and this is by Hotwheels, and this is from their FORZA Motorsport series, and this is the final one in this series. So let's open it and see how it looks. Okay, so here it is. Let's have a closer look. The paint job looks really awesome in this one, especially the decals. It's minimal, but it still looks really great. There is some kind of paint smear here in this rim. Okay, that's fine. So there is no paint for headlights here, and the same goes for tail lights. So I really wish they actually painted some detailing there. This entire series I'm talking about, because none of the cars actually had any kind of paint on that headlight or tail lights. It's just left bland. It looks really bland. But regardless, this looks really amazing. The weight of this car and the look of the car, the decal on this one, the entire series I'm talking about, looks really nice. Hope you guys can see the interior. I'm just trying to show you every time, but I really don't know how many times you are able to see this. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.